Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you another elastic cast on for the ribbon one by one. Uh, the previous method you can find on my blog and as well on YouTube channel. I know that there were lots of comments and knitters liked it, so today I want to show you another one. So maybe you will like it, maybe not, I don't know. Just try it and decide which one you like the most. That's how the ribbon is looking, and if you're going to use a cotton yarn it will look also nice and it will be like really stretchy and hold the ribbon together. Now I'm using acrylic yarn, so cast on any even number. So 12, enough. This ribbon has only one row, and after that you will repeat everything or one round. First of all, slip the first stitch, it's a selvage stitch. So you can start with a purl stitch, maybe it will be a little bit easy, like you make purl 1 first. I will not, I will show you how to do right away. So bring the right hand needle underneath and slip next stitch as if to purl. Now bring the needle back. So when you bring it back, it's clockwise, and return slip stitch to the left hand needle and then knit 1. After that, purl 1, we don't do anything with purl stitch. And now we will repeat. Again, bring the needle underneath, counterclockwise, slip next stitch as if to purl, bring it back, return stitch to the left hand needle and knit 1. After that, purl 1. Easy, right? Let's repeat. Underneath, slip, bring it back and return. Knit 1, purl 1. And you see already this elasticity. Knit 1, purl 1. And for the last time, underneath, slip, turn, return, knit 1, purl 1. And the last stitch, purl it or knit it as you want. And look at this beautiful edge already. Turn row number 2 or round number 2, slip the first stitch and just rip. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, and purl the last selvage stitch. That's it. Go on ribbing and look at this stretchy edge. Let's look again this one. Pretty stretchy. Tell me if you like this method, what do you think about it and how you're going to use it. Do you like more the previous one or this one? Just leave me a comment. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon. Bye.